1. Freelancing. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr allow you to sell skills such as graphic design, translation, or data entry. Since you are multilingual, offering translation services from English to Bengali or Hindi is a highly effective way to start. 2. Content creation. If you enjoy making videos, platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok offer monetization through ad revenue and brand partnerships. Focusing on niche topics like educational facts or motivational storytelling can help build a loyal audience quickly. 3. Online tutoring. You can teach subjects you excel in or even provide language lessons. Websites like Preply or VIP Kid connect tutors with students globally. Teaching a native language or basic computer skills is a great way to earn hourly. 4. Microtasking. Websites like Amazon Mechanical Turk or Clickworker pay users to complete small, simple tasks. These include things like identifying objects in photos, transcribing short audio clips, or participating in market research surveys. 5. Selling digital products. You can create and sell digital assets, such as AI-generated art, social media templates, or ebooks. Once the product is created, it can be sold repeatedly on marketplaces like Etsy or Gumroad, providing a source of passive income.